Science Olympiad Test Paper, Class 2, Year 2014, Set A. Question number 1. Which of the following parts will complete the pattern in figure X? This is figure X, and right answer is option B. Question number 2. Find the odd one out. Watch carefully all the butterflies, and we can say that the numbers inside both wings of the butterflies are same except option C. So option C is odd one out. Question number 3. Dash will replace the question mark in the given number pattern. Option A 95, option B 90, option C 85, option D 105. Here number pattern is given 19, then 38, then 57, 76, question mark, 114, 133, 152. We can see that here is 19's difference in each circle. That is, first is 19, second is 19 plus 19, that is 38. So third is 38 plus 19, that is 57. Fourth is 38, 57 plus 19, that is 76. So the number at question mark place will come 76 plus 19, that is 95. We can check that 95 plus 19 is 114. So our answer is option A, 95. The other method is we can say that all the numbers are multiple of 19. That is 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76. Then what will come? 19 multiplied by 5. That is 19 multiplied by 5 is 95. So our answer is option A. Question number 4. If this star is related to 12, then this picture is related to dash. Option A 16, option B 12, option C 14, option D 8. If we count down the numbers in this star, we find out there are total 6 stars. And 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Number of triangles in this figure is 8. So 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So our answer is option A, 16. Question number 5. Dash is the heaviest and dash is the lightest. In first figure, Q is heavier than S. And in second figure, P is heavier than Q. That means P is heavier than Q and S. In third figure, R is heavier than Q, and in fifth figure, R is heavier than P. That means R is heavier than P, Q and S. That means R is the heaviest. So our answer is option C, because here first is R. Only their answer. Let's check for S. Dash is the lightest. When S is lighter than Q and Q is lighter than both P and R, so S is the lightest. So answer is option C. Question number 6. If the chair and book are interchanged in their positions, then element dash will be fourth to the left of the chair. If chair and book interchange their position, that means this place is chair. So we will count from here to left side. Fourth place. This is left side and this is right side. So fourth from the book is first, second, third, fourth. That is table. So answer is option B, R. Question number 7. There are dash squares and dash circles. First we count the squares in this picture. There are only two squares. One is here and one is here. And if we count the circles, we can find that 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 4 25 4. Total 24 squares are there. So our answer is option D. Question number 8. Select the incorrect match. In option A, here objects and number of equal groups. In option A, there are total 4 groups of 4 triangles. That is correct. In option B, 2 groups of 5 squares. This is correctly matched. In option C, there are 3 groups of 3 butterflies. That is incorrectly matched. So answer is option C. Let's check for option D. There are total 5 groups of 2 circles. So answer is option C. Question number 9. If today is Monday, then day after tomorrow will be dash. We know that there are 7 days in a week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The next day is called tomorrow. The day after today is called tomorrow. So if today is Monday, the next day will be Tuesday. And the day after tomorrow, that is after Tuesday, is Wednesday. So our answer is option C, Wednesday. Question number 10. Dash is shaded with red and dash is shaded with blue in the given figure. Option A, square and circle. Option B, rectangle and square. Option C, circle and rectangle. Option D, triangle and circle. In this picture, red is rectangle and blue is square. So our answer is options B, rectangle and square. Science. Question number 11. Sumit prepared a chart as shown here. His teacher pointed out a mistake that he has made in one of the sentences. What should be the correct sentence? A hippopotamus lives both on land and in water. It has hair. It reproduces by laying eggs, and its young feeds on the mother's milk. Option A, hippopotamus lives on land only. Option B, it does not have hair. Option C, it reproduces by giving birth to live young. Option D, it young feeds on other animals' flesh. And right answer is option C. It reproduces by giving birth to live young. Question number 12. Which of the following animals can be classified both as farm animals as well as milch animals? Animals that are kept for agricultural purpose are called farm animals, and that animals that produce milk are called milch animals. So here camel, cow and goat are classified both as farm animals as well as milch animals. So answer is option C, 1, 2 and 4. Question number 13. Which of the features given below best describe the plant whose leaf is shown in the picture? Option A. It is a tree and it has thick and woody stem. Option B. It is a bushy shrub and it can grow in height up to 40 feet. Option C. It is a large herb and it does not have persistent woody stem. Option D. It is a climber and it needs support to stand. This is a banana leaf. Our answer is option C. It is a large herb and it does not have persistent woody stem. Question number 14. Which of the following plants is X? The fruit of the plant X are used for making oil and coir. Option A. Coconut. Option B. Jute. Option C. Cotton. Option D. Sunflower. And the right answer is option A. Coconut. The fruit of the coconut plant are used for making oil and coir. Question number 15. How can you ensure proper care of plants? Option A. Water the plants throughout the daytime. Option B. Water the plants at noon to protect them from strong heat. Option C. Clean their leaves regularly. Option D. Pluck their leaves, flowers and fruits regularly. And the right answer is option C. Clean their leaves regularly. Question number 16. Foods with lots of sugar and starch are rich in dash. Option A. Fats. Option B. Proteins. Option C. Carbohydrates. Option D. Vitamins. And the right answer is option C. Carbohydrates. Question number 17. Which of the following statements is incorrect for the plant shown in the picture? Option A. It is believed to be a holy plant. Option B. It gives us spices. Option C. It is a shrub. Option D. It is used to make medicines. This is a tulsi plant. And tulsi is believed to be holy plant. So option A is correct. It does not give us spices. So option B is incorrect. That is our answer is option B. Tulsi is a shrub and it is used to make medicines. So option C and D are correct. Answer is option B. Question number 18. The fastest means of two-way communication is dash. Option A. Telegram. Option B. Letter. Option C. Telephone. Option D. Loudspeaker. And the correct answer is option C. Telephone. Question number 19. In which of the following activities are the bones and muscles being used the most? And the right answer is option D. Because they are doing exercise. Question number 20. If you look around, you will find two types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Select the correct example for the two houses. Kacha house and Pakka house. Option A. Igloo, houseboat. Option B. Karma, stilt house. Option C. Tent, bungalow. Option D. Bungalow, hut. And the correct answer is option C, as tent is a kacha house and bungalow is a pakka house. Question number 21. The given diagram shows shadow puppets which are supported and controlled by sticks attached to their bodies, legs and feet. They can be moved by adjusting the sticks attached to them, which to human body system work in the same way as the shadow puppet to help in movement. Option A. Nervous system and circulatory system. Option B. Digestive system and skeletal system. Option C, skeletal system and muscular system. Option D, excretory system and nervous system. The correct answer is option C, skeletal system and muscular system. Question number 22. Ashok's house is built on wooden logs and has sloping roof. Ashok must be residing in a place where 1. Flood is common. 2. Heavy rainfall occurs. 3. Snowfall occurs. 4. Earthquakes are common. Ashok's house is built on wooden logs. That is, his house is a stilt house, and a stilt house is made in where heavy rainfall occurs. That means there is place flood can happen. And sloping roofs are found in the place where snowfall occurs. That means Ashok must be residing in a place where flood is common, heavy rainfall occurs and snowfall occurs. That means answer is option B. Question number 23. Match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1, means of transport, and column 2, importance. Let's match. Rickshaw, best for door-to-door service. Aeroplane, fastest means of transport. Ship, best for the transport of petrol. That means 1 to C, 2 to A. So answer is option B, because here 1 to C, 2 to A and 3 to B. Answer is option B. Question number 24. A food pyramid guides us about the quantity of nutrients that should be taken for a healthy body. However, in the given food pyramid, some food items are not placed correctly in the blocks of the pyramid. Identify these blocks. Option A, 1 and 3. Option B, 2 and 3. Option C, 3 and 4. Option D, 1 and 4. In this food pyramid, at one place is water. It should be fat. So 1 is placed incorrectly. Second is protein. That is correct. Third is fruits and vegetables. That is minerals and vitamins. They are placed correctly. And at fourth place, it should be carbohydrate, not the fat. So 4 is placed incorrectly and 1 is placed incorrectly. So our answer is option D, 1 and 4. Question number 25. Study the given word grid. How many names of the materials that are used to make clothes are hidden in the word grid? In this word grid, leather, nylon, cotton, and wool are hidden. That are materials to make clothes. So our answer is option 4. Option C, 4. Question number 26. Which of the following statements are incorrect regarding the festival of Makar Sankranti? Statement 1. It is commonly known as the festival of kites. Statement 2. It is celebrated in the month of March. Statement 3. It is a harvest festival. Statement 4. It is celebrated in the honor of Lord Ganesha. Statement 1 is correct. It is commonly known as the festival of kites. Statement 2 is incorrect because Makar Sankranti is celebrated in the month of January. Statement 3 is correct. It is a harvest festival. And statement 4 is incorrect as it is not celebrated in the honor of Lord Ganesha. So answer is, as statement 2 and 4 are incorrect. So our answer is option B, 2 and and 4. We have to find incorrect options. Question number 27. Select the odd one out. Option A, cashew. Option B, kidney beans. Option C, almond. Option D, walnut. And the correct answer is option B, kidney beans, because all others are dry fruits. Question number 28. Read the given conversation between a teacher and her students. Select the correct option regarding this. Option A. Varun's father is a grocer. Option B. Ram's father is a doctor. Option C. Shweta's father is a banker. Option D. Varun's father is a baker. Teacher, what does your father do? Ram said, he accepts deposits from public and keep them safe. That means Ram's father is a banker. And in option B, Ram's father is a doctor. This is incorrect. Shweta said, he brings letters and parcels. That means Shweta's father is a postman. So, option C, Shweta's father is a banker is incorrect. Varun said he sells bread, pies, pastries, cakes, etc. That means Varun's father is a baker. So option D is correct. Varun's father is a baker, not a grocer. Option A is incorrect. Answer is option D. Question number 29. Which of the following is the most important practice to stay healthy? Option A. Exercising outdoors in fresh air. Option B. Saying thank you when someone does for you a favor. Option C. Sharing your things with your friends. Option D. Praying before a meal to offer thanks to God. And correct answer is option A. Exercising outdoor in fresh air. All others are good habits, but to stay healthy, we should exercise outdoors in fresh air. Question number 30. Select the incorrect option. Do's and don'ts. Option A. Drink clean and pure water. Don't eat uncovered food. This is correct. Option B. Wash hands before and after meals. Talk while eating. This is also correct because we should not talk while eating, and wash hands before and after meals. Option C. Eat junk foods. This is incorrect. So our answer is option C. Eat food at a fixed time every day. These both options are incorrect. Option D. Chew food properly. This is do's, and don't eat food from roadside vendors. So answer is option C because these statements are incorrect. Question number 31. Which of these on unscrambling gives the name of a wild animal that does not live in a hole in the ground? If we unscramble these options, we get rabbit, gorilla, mongoose, and snake. So, rabbit, mongoose, and snake lives in a hole, while gorilla does not live in a hole. So, answer is option B, gorilla. Question number 32. Four different questions are asked to the peoples as shown below. Which people will not be able to answer? Is the soup scented or not? Because his nose is open so he can smell. So A can answer correctly. B. Is the watch tickling or not? Her eyes are open so she can see the watch. So B can't be our answer. In option C, is the coffee sweet or not? She can't give answer because her mouth is closed. So answer is option C. Question number 33. What do the given road signs mean for the driver? 1. Do not overtake. 2. Speed limit is 70 km per hour. 3. From two lanes. 4. Give way to incoming cars. Option A 1, 2 and 3. Option B 1 and 2. Option C 3 and 4. Option D 1 and 2. This road sign says speed limit is 70 km per hour, while this said do not overtake. So statement 1 and 2 are correct. So answer is option B. Question number 34. Study the given family tree of Latika. Who is her aunt amongst P, Q, R and S? Circles stand for woman and square stands for man. Here is Latika. So Latika's parents are here. This square and this is S is Latika's mother. And these are Latika's grandparents. So aunt is Latika's parent sister. R is Latika's parents sister. So R is her aunt. So answer is option C, R. Question number 35. Study the given map of a town and select the correct option regarding it. Option A. Ria's house is to the north of the shopping mall. Option B. Cyber Hub is to the east of the school. Option C. Court is to the west of the sport complex. Option D. Both A and C. This compass rose is given. If this is north side, so here is east, and this will be west side, and this is south. So option A, Ria's house is to the north to the shopping mall. This is not Ria's house, and her house is north to shopping malls. So option A is correct. Option B, Cyber Hub is to the east of the school. Here is Cyber Hub and it is in north to the school. So this option is incorrect. Option C, Court is to the west of the sport complex. This is sport complex and it is west to the sport complex. So Court is west to the sports complex. So answer is option D. Both A and C are correct.